Hello everyone, and welcome to my next update on AI. Today I will talk about the latest release from Google DeepMind on Veo. It has capability on video creation, image creation, music, and so much more. At this time, the video creation is not enabled to wider audience. You can, however, join the waitlist, and I do recommend to do that. So whenever they will release it to everyone else, you could be the first one to be notified and then carry on with try. For this exercise, I will just go with the image generation. I have my prompt already prepared, copied from somewhere else, and of course you can make the changes here. Let's see the quality of the image generated. You can see it's very real, looking realistic, good fog, depth, colored, blurred, some items. It's very, very specific. What I like about it as well is you can select any image or you can just go in general. The system automatically highlights potential things that you may want to update. So you can change what sorts of colors you want to see, what landscape. You make the changes based on your needs, and then you create it once again. So you don't even have to think about changing the text. It gives you the potential information right away. And look at the difference. Still nice quality, very realistic. Just to show you, I usually use ChatGPT, directly DALL-E, and this is the same image I've generated using exactly the same prompt on DALL-E for the OpenAI. The quality, okay, I cannot complain, I like it, but completely different, and you can see very clearly it's AI generation. What do you think? Share your comments and let me know if you were able to register and try the new image generation through Google. Hopefully the video creation will be enabled to wider audience very soon. This is something that I'm really, really looking forward to. And I hope you will be too. Oh my gosh, AI is the future. It's kind of scary. Thank you for watching and to the next time.